In this problem, we're asked to graph the function f of x equals 9 to the x minus 4 and also its inverse. Okay, so I'm first of all just going to ignore that minus 4 and then I'll graph this using translation. So the function y equals 9 to the x. If I was to make a little xy chart there, if I put in a 0, 9 to the 0, anything except 0 to the 0, 9 to the 0 is 1. So there's going to be a y-intercept at 0, 1. Okay, now if I have an x of 1, 9 to the 1 is just 9. So there is a point at 1, 9. That was at 0, 1, and this was at 1, 9. So my exponential is rising really quickly. However, now I need to think about that minus 4, so that's going to just shift the whole graph down. When I shift it down, I'm subtracting 4 from the y value. So my new y value is going to be at negative 3, 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 3. Okay, and then the next one is going to be at 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or no, at 1, 5, sorry. It's going to be right here at 1 and 5. Okay, so there's my function. Now I'm being asked to also draw the inverse. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to make a nice clean graph. Okay, now the function's inverse would be if I put up a mirror through the line y equals x, it would be a perfect reflection across that diagonal line. For me, it's a little bit hard to graph that just using reflection. So what I do instead is to come up with the inverse. What happens with the inverse is my x and my y's are flipped. All right, so in the regular function, we had this point at 0, negative 3, and so then that in the inverse is going to go to just flip the place of the x and the y. Okay, and I also had a point at 1, 5 in my function, so the inverse, the point is going to be at 5, 1. And then I can graph those points, so I'm going to graph these. Negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 3, 0, and then the other point was at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And 5, 1. And then doing the best that I can using this idea of reflections and also with those guideposts of those 2 points, I can try my best to draw what this might look like. Let's see, it's going to kind of come through here, heading up to that point and increasing, coming down here. So you can kind of get a sense of what that graph is going to look like. And it should be a mirror image and then have it go through your points in the inverse.